Affiliate marketing offers an incredible opportunity to earn a steady income, potentially reaching six figures. If you're targeting $50,000 a year, here are key strategies. Focus on affiliate programs that offer high commissions. High-ticket items like software and online courses provide better earning potential. Choosing a profitable niche is essential. Niches such as health, finance, and tech have strong demand and high commissions. Your content should solve real problems for your audience. High-quality content ranks well in search engines and is key to generating traffic. Optimizing your content for search engines is crucial. Research keywords your audience is searching for and optimize your content accordingly. Social media platforms help you build a community and promote affiliate products. Engaging with your audience builds trust. An email list is one of the most effective ways to nurture relationships and promote products. Offer a freebie to entice subscriptions. To reach $50,000 annually, track your performance using analytics. Monitor traffic and conversion rates to make data-driven decisions. Promote a range of affiliate products to increase your earning potential. Diversifying reduces risk and boosts commission opportunities. Affiliate marketing requires patience and consistency. Stay focused on creating valuable content for long-term success. Achieving $50,000 per year is attainable with the right strategy. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to success.